Suppose we want to draw the signal flow graph diagram for this block diagram. For drawing the signal flow graph, first step was summing point is taken as a node. There are 3 summing points, so there will be 3 nodes. And second is takeoff point before summing point is also taken as a node. This will become as a node. It is first, this is second, this is the takeoff point after summing point. So it is not taken as a node. This is the takeoff point before summing point. So it is taken as a node third. This is the node number 4. So takeoff point before summing point is also taken as a node. So we will draw 4 nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will write number 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. Here is the input R. Here is the output C. Final node. ਇੱਕ ਤੇ ਦੋ ਨੋਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ between the node 1 and 2 there is a gain G1. So we will write it by a arrow and mention the gain. Then between 2 and 3, between this point 2 and 3 there is a gain G2. Gain is G2. Between 3 and 4 there is nothing. So we will write 1 here. We will write 1 here. So starting from 3 there is a feedback H1 with negative sign. So we will make feedback gain minus H1. Then 4, starting from 4 it goes to 2. From 4 to 2 there is nothing in this feedback and this is the negative feedback. So we will write minus 1 here. From 2 to 4 there is a gain G3. So ਇਸ ਮੈਥਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਸਿਗਨਲ ਫਲੋ ਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਡਰਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 3 ਸਮਿੰਗ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਨੋਡ ਬਣ ਗਏ। ਇੱਕ ਟੇਕ ਆਫ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਬਿਫੋਰ ਸਮਿੰਗ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 4 ਅਸੀਂ ਨੋਡ ਡਰਾ ਕਰ ਲਏ। ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਸਮਿੰਗ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 1 and 2 gain G1, between 2 and 3 gain G2, 3 and 4 nothing. So we will write 1 here. From the node 2 the gain go to the 4. So G3 here. From 4 to 2 minus 1, from 3 to 1 minus H1. Now we will take some definitions of regarding the signal flow graph. First is the input node. The first node, this first node of the signal flow graph where the input is given is called input node or source node. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇਨਪੁਟ ਨੋਡ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਸੋਰਸ ਨੋਡ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ। ਪਹਿਲਾ ਨੋਡ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਪੁਟ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ that is called source node or input node. Then output node, the last node from which the output is taken of the signal flow graph. This is the last node from where we have taken the output C is called output node. Then forward path, any path from input node to output node is called forward path. This is the input node. The path from input node to output node is called forward path. So there is one forward path. This is one forward path and this is second forward path. So there are 2 forward paths in this signal flow graph. The path from the input node to the output node. Then forward path gain, the product of gains of all the branches of the forward path. The product of gains of all branches of the forward path is called forward path gain. In this signal flow graph there are 2 forward paths. First is P1. It is made up of from node 1, 2, 3, 4. It is, so we will write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and its gain is g1 into g2 into 1. So the gain is equal to, forward path gain is equal to g1 g2. Second path is p2. It is made up of from, this is the second path, 1 2 4, 1 2 4. Its gain is equal to g1 into g3, g1 into g3. And then loop. What is the loop? If the path originates and terminate on same node, if path originate and terminate on same node, this path originate and terminate on the same node, so this is the loop. And here is also another one loop. This originates from 2, then goes to 3, then goes to 4 and comes back to 2. So if the path originate and terminate on the same node, then it is called loop. Next is the loop gain. Product of all branch gains forming the loop is called loop gain. So there are, this is the one loop, loop number 1, L1, 1 2 3 1, 1 2 3 1. So loop gain is equal to g1 into g2 into minus h1, minus g1 g2 into h1. Here is the second loop, L2. The loop gain is g2 into 1 into minus 1. So it is made up from 2 3 4 2, 2 3 4 ਤੇ 2 ਤੋਂ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹਦਾ ਗੇਨ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੈ? g1 into 1 into minus 1, so minus g1. ਸੋ ਥਰਡ ਲੂਪ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੀਏ, ਇਹ ਲੂਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਐਰੋ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਉਲਟ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, 2 3 ਇਹਦੇ ਉਲਟ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਐਰੋ। then so this is the two loop. So in this signal flow graph there are the two loops. Then non-touching loop. Two or more loops are said to be non-touching if they have no common node. ਜੇਕਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ common node ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ loops ਦਾ, then they are called non-touching. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ common node ਹੈਗਾ 2. So these are not non-touching loops. If the loops have no common node, then they are called non-touching loops. So suppose ਕਰੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਆ ਇਹਦਾ gain ਹੈਗਾ g1, this is minus h1, second loop is here, gain is g2, this is g2, this is g3, this is g4, this is minus h2. So this loop L1 and this loop L2. First loop is 1 2 3 4 5. L1 is made up of from 1 2 1. The gain is minus g1 h1. L2 is made up from 4 5 4. The gain is minus g4 h2. So these are the non-touching loop. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕਾਮਨ ਨੋਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ। ਇਹ ਕਿਤੋਂ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ 1 2 1 ਤੋਂ, ਇਹ ਕਿਤੇ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ 4 5 4 ਤੋਂ। ਸੋ ਥੀਸ ਆਰ ਕਾਲਡ ਦਾ ਨਾਨ ਟਚਿੰਗ ਲੂਪਸ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਮੈਸਨ ਗੇਨ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ। ਇਸ ਫਾਰਮੂਲੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਬਲੌਕ ਡਾਇਗਰਾਮ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਟਰਾਂਸਫਰ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੱਢ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਟਰਾਂਸਫਰ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ? CYR is equal to P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 plus P3 delta 3 plus Pn delta n by delta. So we can write summation of Pi delta I varies from 1 to n divided by delta. This is the formula for calculating the transfer function of a control system by in signal flow graph technique, where P1 is the forward path gain of path P1 and P2 is the forward path gain of path P2. Then delta 1, what is delta 1? 1 minus sum of gain of all individual non-touching loops to path P1. ਪਾਥ P1 ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੂਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੱਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਗੇਨ ਦਾ ਸਮ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਪਾਥ P1 ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੋ ਲੂਪ ਟੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ, ਦੋ ਜਾਂ ਦੋ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਕੰਬੀਨੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਦਾ ਸਮ ਆਫ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਆਫ ਆਲ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਕੰਬੀਨੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਆਫ two non-touching loop to the path P1 minus sum of product of all possible combinations of three non-touching loop to the path P1. Then in the similar manner delta 2 is calculated. Delta 2 is equal to 1 minus sum of gain of all individual loops, non-touching loops to path P2 plus sum of product of all possible combinations of two non-touching loops to path P2. In the similar manner we can calculate the delta 3. Then delta, what is delta? Delta is equal to 1 minus sum of all individual loop gains. जिन्ने भी loop है उन्हां दा gain नू की है जोड़ प्लस कर देना है, प्लस sum of product of combination all possible combinations of two non-touching loops. जेकर दो ਜਾਂ दो नॉन टचिंग लूप ਦੇ ਕੀ ਕੰਬੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਮ ਲੈ ਲੈਣਾ। then minus sum of product of all possible combinations of three non-touching loops. So in this method we can calculate the transfer function of a control system.